Hello everyone, welcome. I hope the sun is shining at your place. Here it's really dull and grey. So to cheer us up, I just decided that today we are going to make lemon and pepper wings. It is a very easy recipe. As I always say, all my recipes are easy. And all the ingredients are easily available in your local supermarket. These wings are scrumptious and moreish. You just can't stop them eating. Let's get started. First of all, you need to preheat your oven at 120 Celsius and wrap 2 baking trays with aluminium foil. Let us finely chop 1 onion. And then I'll dry roast it in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius until they are crisp and brown. Now we need to grate the rind of 7 to 8 lemons, really large lemons, and dry roast them in the oven. Make sure it doesn't get burned. So keep your heat low and keep checking on them. See, the onions are ready and now I'm going to grind them. After grinding the onions, let us get the spice mix ready. For this we need 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, and now I will add the roasted lemon rind. And now I will add the onion powder. I will mix it all together and keep it in an airtight jar. now I'm going to prepare the coating, the dry coating for the wings. So I'll take 2 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, one tablespoon of chili flakes, and salt, and I will mix it well. If you like, you can add some extra chili powder as well. Now I make tiny cuts on the wings by poking a knife. And then I will coat them with the flour mixture. Next, we need to fry the wings. Now that I have fried the wings, I am preparing the lemon coating for the wings. So I take 200 grams of melted butter and I add juice of a large lemon and a good portion of the dry spice mix I made earlier. If you like, you can add some chili powder in it too, but I preferred to keep it mild and more flavorsome. Now cover all the wings in it. They look so yummy, so yummy. These are now ready. Let us serve them. I'm garnishing with onions, lemon and chopped parsley, and they are ready to be served. I hope you liked today's video, and I'm sure you will enjoy these lemon pepper wings as well. Please subscribe and click the bell icon and leave me with a comment. Until then, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.